nature walk and welcome to our virtual field trip.
Yeah.
So we are now in Unisel's botanical garden, and as you can see, me and my teammates are looking at the plants. So you may wonder, what are we going to do here? I'll tell you. We are going to construct sentences using adjectives. Let's go. Okay, so now that we are here, let us start off with our first plant. Let's have a look. Okay, so this is the bougainvillea flower. So, to construct a sentence for this flower, the bougainvillea has bright pink flowers and smooth green leaves that make the garden look colorful and cheerful. So, now that we have constructed a sentence for the first plant, let's have a look at the second one. So, this is the lily palm. So, the lily palm has long, glossy, reddish-brown leaves and a strong stem that give it an elegant and attractive appearance.
Okay, now let's move on to the next plant, which is Australian pine plant. The tall Australian pine plant grows quickly along the coast and can take over the land. Okay, now we have a natural item, which is white stone. The smooth white stones in the pot make the plant look clean and attractive.
Okay, so let's move on to the next plant. So right now we have snake plant. This snake plant is the tall green snake plant stands neatly in the corner of the room. Okay, now we move to the next one. Right now we have fukugi. Okay, so fukugi is a large leafy plant that provides cool shade near the house.
So for the next flower, we have something similar to Sophia's flower but in the color white. Here, we have the flower bougainvillea in white, as I told you. Bougainvillea is a very sensitive, fragile, and it has paper texture. The last plant we have here, variegated agave. This plant is with long, pointed leaves that grow in a roseate shape. The leaves are green with bright yellow stripes, giving it a bold and striking appearance.
So now that we are done with the heat, let us enjoy the wind at the lake.
Now that we are here at our second station, what can you hear? Shh, gloop, gloop.
Okay, now that we are done with the water, now look at this phenomenon. Do you hear the greatest sound to ever exist? You know what the best part is? Tarzan herself is presenting this. We will climb on the tree.
Can you hear something when the people walking? See here, when they step on the leaf, the crunching sound. Okay, now for the fourth sound, let's have a listen at our beloved animals. Chirping birds.
On to our last task of the day, let's look at the view. So now, how about we write a poem about the view that you just saw? Interesting, right?
Painting the sky with its glow, the sun, trees moving with its rhythm, the wind, water moving with its calm, the tide, roads hold with its stability, the earth. How beautiful nature is. As we end our nature walk here at the Unisel campus, this place itself becomes more than just a background. It becomes our learning material.
Compared to a textbook, this environment allows learners to experience English in a real and meaningful context. Instead of only reading words, students can describe what they see, hear, and feel. The sound of the breeze through the trees, the warm colors of the sunset, and even the laughter of people around us.
Using Unisel as a material supports place-based education because learning happens in an authentic setting. Students are more engaged, motivated, and emotionally connected to the lesson. Language becomes alive, not limited to printed pages.
At the same time, learning in nature naturally encourages environmental stewardship. When students learn English while observing and appreciating their surroundings, they also develop respect for the environment. Simple activities like describing nature or reflecting on the campus space help learners understand the importance of protecting and valuing their environment. In conclusion, Unisel is not only a learning space but a powerful teaching material that connects language learning, real-life experience, and environmental awareness.